Here is a 28-inch Monte Carlo Colony II ceiling fan. This is the first fan I've bought in a lighting showroom. It's probably the smallest and honestly the cutest fan in my collection so far. As you can see, there's the box right there. It doesn't state the color on the box, but I was hoping to at least get a bronze one or a matte black one like this one. So I basically got what I wanted. And this fan is hanging on a mount that I asked my dad if I could use, and he said yes. And it runs from a cord all the way down there into an outlet right there. I don't think it's visible. Instead of in between two ceiling trusses, which the altitude is currently hanging on. But anyways, this fan has the typical triangular shaped Monte Carlo pull chain pendant and the name Monte Carlo stamped into the switch housing. It has the typical blade brackets that you typically see on these tiny little fans. And these blades have a really decent amount of pitch to them. I'll start this fan on high now. Blows a significant amount of air. I'm not gonna lie to you, ladies and gentlemen. I would say these fans are worth it for small spaces, like such in laundry rooms or maybe any tight spaces that you would like a tiny little fan to hang in. Blows probably a tiny bit more than the Beacon Hill did before I dropped it. Now starting on medium. It is a relatively quiet fan. Has like no bearing noise to it. Now for medium. Pardon me, I mean low. Just stand back to get a nice view of the fan from up here. I'll turn it off now. That basically sums up this video.